How to add a comment on any post on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a comment to any post on Etoro app. So first thing, we go to Etoro and this is the home page and this is the news feed. Now let's say that you want to add a comment to one of these posts. Let's just choose a post here, for example this one. If you want to add a comment, click here down to the post that you want, click on comment, and you need to complete profile. After you complete your profile, you will be able to add comment, easy peasy. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.